Hi everyone, welcome to Job Fever. Today we are going to start new topic which is synchronized HashMap. So in previous video we have already seen what is HashMap, what is concurrent HashMap, difference between both it and what is hash table. So you can go to playlist and you can see all the previous video, so you can understand easily everything. So in this video we are going to cover what is synchronized HashMap. So we'll cover firstly, we'll cover what is synchronized HashMap, then difference between synchronized HashMap and concurrent HashMap, then coding questions, coding question of synchronized HashMap. So how can we make a synchronized HashMap? And you can. So let's start one by one. So first, synchronized HashMap. So according to the names, it's a synchronized. So synchronized, that means the only one thread can access at a time. Okay, so multiple thread can't access your resource at a time. So in first scenario I have already written only one thread can access synchronized HashMap at a time. And synchronized HashMap, Java HashMap is a non-synchronized collection class. Okay, so if you need to perform thread safe operation on it, then you must need to synchronize it explicitly. The synchronized map method of Java.util collections class is used to synchronize it. It returns a synchronized, which is thread safe map backed by the specified map. Okay, so in normal hash map if you are using, so it's a non-synchronized collection. So if you want to perform thread safe operation, then you have a scenario. Then we have synchronized hash map to do the synchronized operation. Okay, so we can do with that of synchronized hash map also we can do, and we can do with that of the concurrent hash map. Okay, but there is some difference between the synchronized hash map and concurrent hash map, which we'll cover in next slide. Okay, so let's start. So concurrent hash map versus synchronized hash map. So concurrent hash map is a class that implements the concurrent hash map and serializable interface. So a concurrent hash map implements concurrent hash map and serializable interface. So, and in case of synchronized hash map, we can synchronize the hash map by using synchronized map method of java.util collections class. Okay, so it's some method of java.util collection class. So with the help of this method synchronize map, we can synchronize a map. It's in case of concurrent hash map, it's lock some portion of map. Okay, some portion of map, that means that it locks bucket wise, it locks. In hash map we have 16 bucket by default. Okay, so it's lock bucket wise. Okay, if required one bucket, then it will lock only one bucket. So in case of synchronized hash map, it locks the whole map. Okay, so it will lock whole map. So we can see in coding also, so how it is locking the whole map. Okay, so only one thread can access. In short scenario, concurrent hash map allows performing concurrent read and write operation, hence performance is relatively better than synchronized map. Okay, so read, we can also do read and we can write. Okay, read, that means the we can iterate and we can do some modification. Okay, so hence uh, performance is relatively better than synchronized map. So we are doing read and write parallelly, then performance is good than synchronized hash map, because in synchronized hash map we can do only one operation. See, in synchronized hash map multiple threads cannot access the map concurrently, hence the performance is relatively less than concurrent hash map. So it's a less performance than concurrent HashMap, because only one thread can access and only one action we can perform at a time. Okay, so in fourth scenario, concurrent HashMap does not allow inserting null as a key or value. So we can't insert null as a key or value in concurrent HashMap. But in case of synchronized HashMap, it allows inserting null as a key. So we can insert null as a key in synchronized HashMap. So what will happen in HashMap? So in HashMap, we can store key and value both. Has we can store null as a key or value. Okay, it's possible in concurrent hash map, normal hash map. But if you want to insert null value in concurrent hash map, so it's not possible. Okay, either as a key or value. But in synchronized hash map we can insert null as a key. So these are the differences. So in fifth point, concurrent hash map does not throw concurrent modification exception. Okay, because we use this concurrent hash map to uh, prevent this exception, concurrent modification exception. Okay, we get this exception at the time of if you are trying to modify any map at the time of iterating, then in that scenario you will get concurrent modification exception. So in concurrent modification exception, in concurrent hash map we will not get this concurrent modification exception if you use this hash map. But in this scenario, synchronized HashMap throw concurrent modification exception, because there is no any option to handle this concurrent modification exception with the help of synchronized HashMap. So it will throw concurrent modification exception. So these are the differences between concurrent HashMap and synchronized HashMap. So I think you understood everything. So let's move for next, which is related to coding. So we'll understand how can you make a synchronized HashMap. So what I did here, I have created one map. Okay, creating a map and adding the elements using put method. So I have already added a 5. Okay, here I've already the 5 element. Okay, and here I have created one map. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to we have normal map, okay, which is hash map. I'm going to, so hash map is non-synchronized. So we are going to perform synchronize the hash map. We're going to perform create synchronized hash map. So with the help of the collections dot synchronized hash map, we can make a normal hash map to a synchronized hash map. So now we have this map is synchronized hash map. So what we are trying to do here, we are trying to iterate here. So we are doing with the help of the entry set. So we have set, okay. So all the key will be stored in set. So here we are going to synchronize the map, okay, at the time of iterating. So only one thread can access at a time, at the time of iterating also. So we use synchronize keyword to make we are using a synchronized block. That means that we are making only one thread can allow inside this synchronized block. So with the help of the iterator, I'm trying to iterate, okay. So set dot iterator will get I. So we are trying to get I dot has next is there or not. So it's true because already there. Okay, so we are trying to print here key and value with the help of synchronized hash map. Okay, so only one thread will allow here. Okay, it will not allow multiple thread at a time because we are using a synchronized keyword. And we can use here, we are also using here synchronized hash map, synchronized map method to make it synchronized hash map. So I think you understood everything. So encoding while if you want to see, then we can also do the practice, then you will understand easily how it's working internally. And thanks everyone, I think you understood everything. So thanks for watching, and I think you liked my video. If you're loving, please like, subscribe and share. If you have any doubt, we can you can comment and discuss on open platform. So thanks everyone, bye.